Space is full of mysteries, but also full of myths we keep believing. Let's bust some of the biggest ones people still get wrong. Myth number 1. The Great Wall of China is visible from space. People love to say astronauts can spot the Great Wall of China with the naked eye from orbit. In reality, it's nearly impossible. The wall is narrow, about the same color as the land around it, and much smaller than features like rivers, cities, or highways that actually are visible. Even astronauts who have been to the International Space Station have said they could not see it without a camera lens. What people often mistake for the wall are wide rivers or long highways that stand out far more clearly from orbit. Myth number 2. Earth is closer to the Sun in summer. A lot of people think it's hotter in summer because Earth is closer to the Sun, but that's wrong. Seasons are caused by the tilt of Earth's axis, not its distance from the Sun. In fact, Earth is actually closest to the Sun in January, during winter in the Northern Hemisphere. Myth number 3. The Moon has no gravity. It's a common belief that the Moon has no gravity at all. In fact, this myth probably comes from seeing astronauts in videos moving in slow motion and floating dust rising around them. It gives the impression that they're weightless, but that's not what's really happening. The Moon does have gravity, about 1/6 as strong as Earth's. Myth number 4. Meteors are hot when they hit the ground. Movies always show meteors crashing down in a fiery blaze. While meteors do heat up as they blaze through the atmosphere, by the time they reach the ground, they're usually cool. The thin outer layer burns off and the inside remains cold. Myth number 5. The Hubble telescope took pictures of astronauts on the Moon. Nope. Hubble is powerful, but not that powerful. The smallest objects it can resolve are about 100 meters across on the Moon, way too big to see lunar landers or astronauts. Those were imaged later by NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, not Hubble. Myth number 6. There's a center of the universe. You might think the Big Bang exploded from a single point in space, and everything is moving away from that center. In reality, the universe is expanding everywhere at once. There is no center. Every point in space sees all other points moving away. From our perspective on Earth, it even looks like we're at the center of expansion. But in fact, observers on any other galaxy would see exactly the same thing. Myth number 7. There's no gravity in space. Astronauts floating in the ISS aren't in zero gravity. They're in free fall. The reason they float is because both they and the station are falling around Earth together. Gravity at the ISS is about 90% as strong as it is on Earth. It's orbit, not the absence of gravity. This is why scientists call it microgravity rather than zero gravity. So that's it. Next time someone drops one of these space facts, you'll know the truth. Space is full of surprises, but here we are to tell you the facts. Which myth surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more busted myths and mind-blowing space facts.